Hello, I saw your question on here. An interval containing one period of y equal 5 cotan quantity x plus pi sevenths. So I recommend, page 107 has a nice algorithm for doing these problems. An example that immediately follows. And so what you got to do is set the parentheses here. 0 less than what's in the parentheses, what's in the parentheses less than pi. And you need to solve this for x, which means you just need to subtract pi sevenths from each part of the compound inequality. So that'll give you negative pi sevenths here, and it's less than x, and that x will be less than 6 pi sevenths if you subtract pi sevenths from pi. So this is what you need. This gives you the interval for the period, open interval negative pi sevenths to 6 pi sevenths, and also gives you the two asymptotes. One will be at negative pi sevenths, and the other one will be at 6 pi sevenths. I'd suggest, looking on this page, an example that follows. Hope this helps.